Hi, and welcome to the first of many Tuesdays at 2s hosted by eBizDocs, your document management experts, where we provide information at your fingertips. This week, we will be talking about accounts payable automation. Our agenda today will be a 10 to 15-minute discussion on the following topics: who is eBizDocs, pain points, AP processing, gains, and how we can help. At the closing of the presentation, we will provide a number of ways on how you can reach eBizDocs to answer any questions you may have, learn more about something that was discussed today, or how to schedule a meeting and/or demo. So eBizDocs, we were founded in 1999. We currently are headquartered in Albany, New York, with offices in Rochester, New York, and Huntsville, Alabama. eBizDocs serves both the public and private sector organizations, and we are a preferred source contractor for New York State entities. The company has received numerous awards over the years, and most recently, we were awarded the Corporate Partner of the Year by the New York State Industries for the Disabled. eBizDocs offerings were initially just scanning and conversion services, but we've quickly expanded to offer a complete solution due to customer demand. Today, we offer numerous services, hardware, software, and workflow analysis, professional services that go around all that, document scanners and scanning software. And we're consistently looking for the best offerings for our customers, and most importantly, helping solve our customers' pain points in their business. So accounts payable today. Nearly every business deals with accounts payable. Oftentimes, the processes in the AP department are heavily paper-intensive and time-consuming. In fact, most businesses with paper manual processes take roughly 16 days to process one invoice. This ends up costing the organization in the form of labor, late fees, and printing and paper costs. An automated accounts payable solution can help an organization reduce those costs, keep more of their hard-earned profits, and keep employees happy and productive. There are several pain points that we have heard from our customers that we've worked with over the years, and here are just a few examples. Manual AP processes are slowing down turnaround times, and my AP department is falling behind. Our invoices are rarely paid on time, and we are almost never able to take advantage of prompt pay discounts. We need to be able to increase our processing, but we can't afford to hire more staff. Our manual processes are costing us too much in labor and human error. Our AP staff is frustrated with the process, and they feel like they can never catch up. So numbers-wise, here are some statistics from the manual accounts payable process. The average cost to manually process an invoice, $22.75. The average time it takes to manually process an invoice, 16.3 days. The percentage of companies with manual processes that take advantage of prompt pay discounts, 16%. The cost in labor to find a misfiled document, $120. And the cost to reproduce one lost document is $220. Now let's see some contrasting statistics from the automated accounts payable process. Again, these numbers are much lower. The average cost to process an invoice down to $3.40. The average time it takes to process the invoice with automated AP automation, 6.1 days. The percentage of companies with automated processes that can take advantage of prompt pay discounts now, up to 47%. And automated AP processing will greatly reduce or eliminate the issue of lost documents and errors. So what can your organization gain? Increased overall productivity of accounts payable staff by eliminating or reducing manual data entry. Reduce the amount of hours staff spends processing invoices. Eliminate or greatly reduce the issue of lost invoices. Trade in late payment penalties for early payment discounts. One example of this, so let's say your company processes $1 million worth of invoices and gets 2% net 10 from 80% of your vendors, and you are able to take advantage of that discount on all of them, you would save $16,000 on your invoices alone. Next, reduce the cost of processing an invoice and save significant money in the long run. And one example of this is, let's extrapolate out those two last slides we saw with some metrics. And the average cost to process an invoice manually, again, is $22.75. So if you manually process 1,000 invoices per month, or 12,000 per year, assuming your processing is the same as the average, processing invoices will cost your business $273,000 annually. If you switch to an automated invoice processing, the average cost to process the invoice is about $3.40. So the cost of processing the same amount of invoices for 1 year is $40,800. That's an annual savings of $232,000. And lastly, improve the audit process by being able to see metrics like who worked on the batch, how long do batches take, and where is the documents in real time. Here are just a handful of the eBizDocs' advanced capture capabilities that we can do. OCR, to convert scanned documents into meaningful text. Classification, to automatically separate invoices based on vendor. Something called an accelerated classification engine to automatically classify documents and extract the data during the workflow without the need for configuration in advance. Auto zone creation, to allow side capture to auto place smart zones. Table extraction, to quickly extract line item data. And migration to 60 ECM systems and the ability to script migrations to any ERP. I'd like to run you through a sample of the advanced capture capabilities in action. So here we have a purchase order from Trask Industries. They need to extract the line item data and import it into their accounting software. In implementation for this customer, we would gather several samples of the document and set up the software to recognize the fields and lines that the customer needs. And here are two screenshots of the fields recognized and the line items extracted. The software will migrate the data to the specified software. Lastly, if the document needs to be stored after we also offer a document management solution that these documents can automatically be filed into for quick and easy retrieval. So thank you for your time today. If you are interested in learning more, here are several ways. For questions, you can call or email us. If you'd like to do some research on your own, feel free to check out our website, blog, and subscribe to our newsletter. Honestly, the best way to see how this can work in your business is to schedule a meeting with our team. We can address all the questions, set up a demo so you can see your documents in action. And lastly, please follow us on your favorite social media platform. We are on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and just search for eBizDocs. We look forward to speaking to you soon, and be sure to check out the upcoming Tuesdays at 2 on our blog and newsletter. Have a great day, everyone.